In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload files to your Dropbox. This is a convenient feature when you need to collect files from multiple people without them needing their own Dropbox accounts. Whether you're gathering photos from friends, documents for a project, or any other type of file, this will streamline the process. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Dropbox's website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of the screen known as the left sidebar. From this menu, the option you'll want to select is File Requests. This is where you can easily manage and organize the files people will send you. Now, in this File Request section, you'll see a button labeled New Request or something similar. Click this button to start creating a new file request. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify exactly what you're looking for and where you want these files to end up in your Dropbox. After clicking that button, a form will pop up. Here, you'll need to provide a description of what you're requesting. This description helps the people who will be uploading so they know exactly what files you need. Maybe it's a specific report, photos from an event, or a series of forms that need to be completed. Be clear and concise in this description to minimize any confusion. Next, you'll be asked to designate a location for these files within your Dropbox. You might choose an existing folder or create a new one specifically for this purpose. Selecting the right location now will keep your Dropbox organized and ensure that files are easy to find later. Once you've filled out this information, it's time to share the request. Dropbox gives you the option to either share a link directly or enter the email addresses of people you want to upload files. Sharing a link is great for broad access, especially if you need to distribute the request to a large group or on a public platform. Entering emails works well if the request is more private or specific to certain individuals. Here's the best part. When others receive your link, they don't need a Dropbox account to upload files. They'll simply click on the link you provided or that they received via email and follow a few simple instructions to upload the files directly to your Dropbox. This ease of use can really encourage quick and efficient responses. Once you've received all the files you need, or if the deadline has passed, you can close the file request. This prevents any further uploads and wraps up the process. Closing the request is as simple as returning to the File Requests section, selecting the request, and choosing the option to close it. This method ensures you control over incoming files, keeps things neatly organized, and provides a straightforward way to gather and manage multiple file uploads.